Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. ABC Corporation's gross margin is 52% of sales. Operating expenses such as sales and administration are 18% of sales. ABC Corporation is in 40% tax bracket. What percent of sales is their profit after taxes? Now let their sales be X rupees. Therefore, their profit will be their gross margin will be 52 by 100 x, which is 0.52x rupees. After that, operating expenses. Operating expenses will be, they are 18% of the sales, that is 18 by 100 into x, which is equal to rupees 0.18x. Now this is their gross margin 0.52x and this is their operating expense. So in all, their profit will be, total profit will be equal to gross margin minus operating expenses, which is equal to 0.52x minus 0.18x, which is equal to 0.34x rupees. This is their total profit. Now since this corporation is in 40% tax bracket, they'll have to pay 40% of this particular total profit. Since they come in 40% tax bracket, let's see, they have to pay 40% of their total profit. Therefore, thus they have to pay 40% of 34% of sales. That means that their profit after taxes will be 100 minus 40 equal to 60% of 34% of sales, since this is 0.34x. Now total, their profit after taxes is 60 by 100 into 34, which is equal to by 100 x, so that is equal to, let's see, 0 0 cancelled out, 3 5, so that gives us 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10, 102 by 100 x by 5 divided by 5, so that is equal to, let's see, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 5 4s are by 100 x, which is nothing but 20.4% of sales. So their profit after taxes is 20.4%. Answer is option B, 20.4%.